Now, good morning, girls, and welcome to our second edition of a live streamed assembly. I hope your classes have gone beautifully this morning, and please make sure you express a thanks and some gratitude for your teachers. They're learning too as they go through this process. And just on using your laptop, I'm being asked by the IT team that you take great care with your laptop, as repairing laptops over the next few weeks may be somewhat tricky. So very careful when you are moving them around and when you're walking around with them. As you'll be aware, the government decision are occurring at speed, and so at school this morning we have made the decision that you will stay with your Learn at Home programs until Wednesday lesson 3B. I'll say that again, so lessons 3B on Wednesday, and then that will conclude your Learn at Home programs. Following that, we would normally have had a church service on Wednesday, and so I've asked Reverend Dr. Peter French from St John's Anglican Church to give our school community a virtual blessing, and he will do that at 1 o'clock as well, which will be a lovely way for you to finish your school term. The Wednesday 3B will allow for every VCE class in particular to see their teacher, and we think that this is probably the most important thing that needs to happen this week, that there is a touch base with your VCE teacher. The teachers on Thursday and Friday need some planning time, and that's what they will be doing for the rest of the week. We remain a little bit apprehensive about term 2, and if there's continued Learn at Home program, there certainly needs to be some revisiting and some rethinking around the assessment that you'll be doing. So they'll be in discussions around that type of work for you on Thursday and Friday. Uppermost in my mind, girls, is your health and well-being. And I'm going to ask you to do a couple of things every day. The first one is you need to get outside and you need to exercise. You cannot stay inside all day. And if you haven't been outside and if you haven't exercised yet, I'm going to send you outside in a couple of minutes. In fact, I want evidence of this. So I'd love you to send me some photos of you being outside, perhaps with your puppy or doing some exercise. Send me a photo, mcarroll@stcatharines.net.au, and I'd love to see them as well. I'd like you to try and stick to a normal school routine. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week you are at school, so it's up at a normal school time in a sports uniform or your school uniform, no PJs. And finally, I want you to find some gratitude. I think maybe start with your parents. Be thankful that you have Wi-Fi. Be thankful that you have food in the fridge. Be thankful that you have toilet paper. Find something to be grateful for every single day. The library, girls, remains open today until 4:30, so you may wish to come back into school and select some books, and you can take as many books as you wish, is what I've been advised. And also to remind you that there are online books available through the library page as well. So the library's open till 4:30 today, so you may like to come back up to school and choose some books to read as well. Finally, the most important thing that we are also concerned about is the amount of screen time that you will be undertaking in the next few days, and if we continue into term 2. So when you are having a break at morning tea or at lunchtime, it's important that you are not looking at a screen. So that's a great time to get outside. Other than that, we'll see you on Wednesday for a virtual blessing with Reverend Dr. Peter French, and I wish you well with your studies. But this assembly time was just meant to say hello and to be grateful, to exercise and to look after your laptop. And other than that, I want you to be the most wonderful students and to maintain that beautiful St Catherine's spirit. And don't forget, you can eat some Easter eggs as well. Thanks, girls. We'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.